What is up, Print Squad? I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be printing using reflective vinyl. So if you want to see how everything turns out, just stay tuned. Okay, these are the shirts I'm going to be printing on. They're like safety orange and safety yellow shirts. So I'm going to go ahead and get the design cut out and jump over to the weeding table, and I'll meet you back here at the press. Since some of you may have never dealt with reflective vinyl, I was just going to show you something. I actually got this vinyl from Stalls, and this is the reflective color right here, but on the other side it looks gold. So right here you have to actually peel back this protective sheet. It's that little pinkish protective sheet. So on one side, this is the gold side, is the side that would be touching the t-shirt, so that the reflective side would show. Just thought I would show you guys that. Alright, I got everything cut out and weeded, so I'm going to go ahead and set the shirts up. Let me see. It's going to be the same thing going to be on, I got 4 shirts to print, and the same thing is going to be on 2 of them, and the same thing is going to be on the other 2. So move them out the way so I won't get it mixed up, and go ahead and get started. And by the way, this is a hot peel, because if you don't peel it while it's like super hot, it's gonna be hard to peel off. So you want to peel this while it's hot. Alright, I finished all of the shirts. Here's the first one, or the last one that I printed actually. And I'm going to show you guys up close what it looks like. Hopefully, I don't know if you can even see if the light is shining off of it, but yeah, this is metallic, so when the light hits it, it will illuminate. And that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And once you subscribe, be sure to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And if you're interested in any of the products or equipment that I use to print t-shirts, check down below. I always leave links in the description box. And I will see you in the next video. Print Squad out.